Today's video are Hobonichis that are best for on the go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to start right away with the first Hobonichi here. It is the Weeks. This is brand spanking new. So when you get it the first time, what it'll look like. It's got this booklet of sorts with really cute graphics that you can cut up and put in your Hobonichi pages. So get that white paper, and this is what it looks like. It is super shiny. It's so pretty, and that's a side view. Now when you open up the back, it will come with an adhesive pocket right there. That's pretty useful. You can put it inside your Hobonichi pages at the back. And it'll also come with that subway map of Japan that would come in useful if you're planning to visit. That's inside. The other, it says Hobo, words or letters H-O-B-O. That's the front page. You get your calendar, your monthly, and you get those page markers, tassels if you will, and you can put them wherever you want. You only get 2, so choose wisely, and that is the weekly pages that the weeks are known for. You get 2 pages for week, and then you get your note pages. There's a bunch of them at the back, and then you get your extras. It is in Japanese. Well, a lot of them are in Japanese, so I don't really know what they are useful, but they look really fun. You can use Google Translate if you really want to find out what it means. And that is the back. And let me just put that tassel back into its page, and we are done. Remember that soft covers are bendy. They won't lie flat, but they are so much lighter than a hard cover. So that is my hardcover waffles from the bow and tie collection. And the covers have different width. If you're looking for a Weeks that is best for on the go, I think it's best to go with a soft cover so that it's easier to bring around. And it also says Hobonichi at the back. If wallet size doesn't work for you, then you can also try this other one. It is the Hobonichi Techo Original. It is A6 size, much smaller than a Hobonichi Weeks. This will fit a lot of smaller purses. That's why I'm putting it in this video. Mine already comes with a cover. It doesn't come with a cover on cover, which is the plastic that comes at the front. I will tell you later why that is. The reason is that for this cover that I'm showing right here, it comes with 2 tassels. There is an extra pocket at the back. Oh, by the way, that's the cat. It's so pretty. And it comes with that pocket right there. If I put a cover on cover, then I won't be able to use that pocket anymore. And I would really like to use it. So when you open the cover, it will come with that card in Japanese, so I don't know what it says. And another card with a cat! I'm so happy to get those cards, especially the cat one. So those are your deeper pockets. You get 4. They're relatively the same size. And a smaller pocket at the front. You get that side pockets there, a shallower one, and a deeper one that is for the cover of your book. On the side of the right, you also get a bunch of pockets right there with that tag, that green tag that's special for this cover. And then you get inside that cover, that cat, so pretty! Basically, I bought this for the cover. The book was just an extra. If it didn't come with the book, I was okay with that. Alright, let's take a look at that book that came with my cat cover. It is the Po Original Techo Original, I mean. It's me 4,400 yen when you buy it in store. I had a friend buy it for us. This book is stitched. I think this is saddle stitch. I'm not really quite sure. And then you get that front page, calendar, your monthly, you get another monthly in a different format, It's basically the same as the weeks, except that it doesn't have the weekly pages. It goes right into your dailies, which makes it perfect if this is going to be your on-the-go planner. And then at the back, you get a few notes pages and also a bunch of extras. Except for the graph paper and the favorites, I think they are mostly the same. So after my 100 list, you get the same types of pages with the weeks, so you're not really missing out that much. It's a logo, by the way, and at the back, I think you get the batch number because they're different for every Hobonichi book, and they are in all Hobonichi books. Let me give you a tip for setting up your brand spanking new Hobonichi Original A6. So in order to put it in the cover, you just insert the left side, fold it, and insert the right side into your cover. Super easy. Don't be afraid of bending your book. It hasn't got anything in it yet, so it's still alright. And that's it. Those are the 2 Hobonichis that I think will do well for traveling or for being on the go, or for being planners for on the go. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more Hobonichi Plan With Me videos, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. If you really like our stuff or any of the stuff I show in my videos, go ahead and visit paperjoyph.com. Got a bunch of brand new stickers recently released just this week. So go ahead and buy our stuff. Watch out for our deals and our special deal on the 21st of April. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!